In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Mint Payments customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to mintpayments.com. And now from here, click on the three horizontal bars that's located top right hand corner of the page, and then look for where it says contacts. Click the little drop down and then hit the support button. And now this will take you over to the contact section of Mint. And now on this page, just scroll down and then we can see there's a number here you can call. So you can call Mint support. So existing Mint customers can call this number to speak to a member of their support team. Alternatively, you can scroll down, and if you don't like speaking on the phone, you can fill out this form. So put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, country, region, product, service, and then what do you require assistance with? Just say customer support, and then provide some additional information for our support team to assist you. So if you fill this out as descriptive as possible, it will make their life easier to help solve any issues you might have with Mint Payments.